Jesus Christ. Twice.
When was the first time?
This morning. You woke me up.
Well, PemPem's waiting for his mother to get back. She forgot my back brace. He loves staring out the window. You do it all the time in the semi-truck. You would just sit and stare. PemPem. Hey. So he doesn't care about me, just wants his mom. But we're headed over to Walmart, and then we're gonna go meet up with one potential new hire, and then one of the guys that's gonna kind of work for us part-time. It's just gonna take him out in the trucks and just see how he does and see what he needs some improvement on. But his, he gotta take his kid to the doctor, so I just told him he can come whenever. The other guy's extremely anxious to come meet up. He really seems to want this job. So Ben's gonna be around here in a little while. And I told the guy that I'll just let him know, you know, kind of about what time. And he can meet us over there.
She's just a puppy.
We have the puppy backpack. We're gonna put PemPem in the puppy backpack and tote him around Walmart for a little bit. I'm being a pain. And then come back, put some stuff away, and then go work on trucks. Got a couple things left to do on them, so do that for a little bit today.
Cheers.
So Mom's taking the groceries upstairs. She's back over there. And he's always so desperate to stare at her. No, PemPem, stay. Look, PemPem. There's Mom. So this thing's pretty worn out. All the cracks. All the lettering's gone. And then it's dry. Like when you just feel it in your hands. So here's a new belt. It took me, what, 2 or 3 minutes to take this off?
Yeah.
They're pretty easy when someone shows you the trick. Didn't have to take the fan off or nothing. Bit of a pain, but once someone shows you the trick, it's pretty easy to do. So this One of the, well, he's gonna end up being a part-time driver. Met with him. He can definitely drive. He's gonna do just fine. But I wanted to make sure he could, like, you know, shift and all that kind of stuff. He wasn't, you know, going, yeah, I have experience, and then you actually get him a truck. He's like, no, he doesn't. So that went great. This went like crap. That looks awful in every way, and I was trying to be careful about it, and it looks terrible. So it's just gonna last for however long it lasts. And then when it peels off, I'll just go get a new one. But for now, it'll work. Just kind of whatever. Come here, Ashley. So we're gonna just close the hood on the paint, go over and get some steaks, eat dinner. You got that little arm you might have to pull up on, but we'll nope, it worked. You don't have to lock it. So I'll finish fixing the haul truck with that little boot later. But for now, we are done. Get a what?
Refried beans.
What's that? Oh, you mean frijoles?
Disgusting. Not Mexican.
Traditional. How many?